Hi, it's legocrartmation with my, what's this called, block thingy-majig that are latches, and I am terrible. My first block ever, first time I'm doing something with latches, but, okay, so, you have, it's two latches will trigger, door, and inside, there are two levers, they have to be off for any of this thing to work, so, yeah. So, it's very bad block because it's not any specific order, you just have to open the middle two, and the door will open. And you're like, okay, but how would you turn it off inside? There's the two switches I added. One switch, depending on what works, what the other will do something. But when you want to leave, you have to make sure both are off, so you can switch it with your lock. And but if you say someone plays haywire with your things and unlocks it, so this switch won't work. You use the other switch, but this, and basically, yeah, I don't think we need that, but they both have to be in the off position for you to lock them. And I tried doing another Arsenal watch for the button, but it didn't work. So I'll just tell you how this. I'll show you how this works. So you go to RS neural latches, and you hook, and you see from the side this goes in, and from this side you make a little loop, and so the pressure plates, if you hit them, they will power it, and the two ends will keep it. You see, because they are neural latches, they will keep, and you see they'll turn this off, and as you see right over here, coming down to an RS neural latches, the two RS neural latches have wires, and they come and meet together right here, and put this inverter, so the two ends have to be off for this to be on, pushing the door open. But if for some reason one of these two is off, this line, or as you see this line, that's the bigger one, will make this inverter turn off. And now you see this right here, these two switches. This switch is the one that works with the two of them combined. So it's like how you would normally walk in your house. To close the door, you use this one. Trail rest the line leading to the area before how do I forget the inverter? But if someone gets haywire and surrounds it, this one will do absolutely nothing, and you would want, so you have to connect it to the main door, which if this is on, as you see it's off, but okay, that it won't ever do something with, haywire. That so when you're hitting this, will do something that this won't do anything. It won't turn it off because it's power leading it on. But the problem is if you get closer to the middle, it won't work. They tried that first with one switch, but yeah, that's why you have two switches. And when you're leaving and you want to lock it, make sure you put them both off. Unless it's like went haywire there, then you turn the watch. Oh my god. Unless someone with the haywire thing, and this happened, this switch would do nothing. You put the switch on, walk out, you would press the middle too, Or no. Yeah. You press. Why is the door? Okay, yeah. You just press the middle key. Walk back in. Take the switch off. Switch. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but yeah. That's something that's the only bug. What happened? Like the only thing wrong. That's how to turn it off. Okay. You have to have one inside and one outside. Because like one inside and one outside. It turns off if that thing is not good. But if please and the code still works. That's how to do it. That's the turn number on. And so yeah, that's it. See you next video. Bye.